Welcome to Fundamental Trading Tools Part 2. And in this video, I'll be discussing some of the other tools that I use for my fundamentals preparation. And lots been going back home, and I hope everybody is safe, everybody is well, and I hope we prosper much more than they can ever think of. Coming back to the video, the first tool, it is Kobeissi Letter, the Kobeissi Letter. I follow them, and they put in some really nice tweets, real nice data on X, and I keep myself updated with whatever data it is coming in. And if you want to understand it in much easy words, try to use AI. Put in this whole data in AI and just tell the AI that whatever you want to ask about the data, but don't, yeah. And then another tool that I use here is a COT report. Try to visit this link, dukascopy.com/trading-tools. Over here, I have a look at their COT charts. They help me for the long term and to know where commercials and non-commercials are positioning themselves in the market. And there are some really nice tools if you are exploring, and this sentiment widget, and also this will be really good for you if you trade forex, liquidity consumers, liquidity providers. This data, you can sort it as you want. Now coming on to the third of this video is LDR. So basically these dates have reminders set on your phone or something. These dates there is high probability when there's going to be a lots of movement in the market. Not every date, but there is a high probability. So in a whole year you have these many, and you can be better prepared. If you are better prepared to give yourselves a high risk to reward trade you can get on these dates, if it sets up according to your technical and everything. And coming back, this I have come to realize just 1 day ago, 2 days ago. When you visit TradingView, go on to this macro maps icon and adjust it accordingly. So here, every country, GDP, interest rate, unemployment rate, government debt to GDP, each and every term. Try to understand each and every term fundamentally. The more you are able to, the better your fundamentals will get. So strictly in these videos, I'm just talking about tools. So I won't be going into every one of these, what these are. But if you want to go ahead, have a look what these are. So click US, click on show on supercharts. They are switching to 1 month data. Intervals less than 1 month are not supported, so we switch to 1 month. Okay, wait, let's try interest rate. Okay, there it is. Now I'm adjusting, and so interest rate, now you are able to see if the data that we were talking about on Forex Factory and how it's been going if there is a very high change, right? So this is interest rate chart and they are believing it is going to come down now. There's a high probability that's been going on. So whatever you are trading, try to plan accordingly. Let's look at GDP. So this is how GDP growth chart has been explored. So this was the last fundamental tool that I wanted to show you guys. That's all for fundamental trading tools video. If something comes up, oh yeah, one last. Sometimes you have to correlate the charts, right? If you are looking at gold, whatever you are trading, there might be something that is inversely correlated to it, or some other instrument that is directly correlated to it. So gold and US dollar right now are inversely correlated. If US dollar goes down, gold's going to go up. If gold goes down, US dollar's gonna go up. That's how historically they have been. But so coming back, so gold and dollar index are inversely correlated. That's how they've been going. Not every time. They are not inversely correlated 100%, somewhat. So for that, what the correlation has been going on, I try to look on this website. You can don't use it, but you can use it somewhat of the time when you are trying to look at some other chart. Suppose you are trading Forex and gold, but I personally only trade gold, so I don't give it much of an eye, but sometimes I do. So this was here. You can find gold's correlations, and you can also find whatever currencies it is positive correlation, negative correlation. Here you can select the time frame, and that was it. That was it for the tools video. I hope everybody good. Today it is September 5. Yep. I hope you guys stay healthy and peace out.